Hey Kylie, it's Mr. G. I just wanted to go over real quick a couple things that we said the other day, just to make sure you got it all. I know it was a lot of information to take in all in one day. So here's the day we're leaving. The 23rd, which is tomorrow, I will feed the animals in the morning, so they just need to be closed up in the evening time. So that's tomorrow, the 23rd, and then we're going to be gone all the way through the morning of the 31st. So we'll be getting home sometime around noon on the 31st. So you'll have to open up the animals that morning and then feed them, but you won't need to close them that night because we'll be home and be able to do that. So once again, evening of the 23rd is your first time, and then the morning of the 31st is the end time. So once again, the cup that's in that rabbit food bowl, the yellow one, each half cup is good for one rabbit. So a full cup would be 2 rabbits. A cup and a half, 3 rabbits. 2 full cups for 4 rabbits, and that's the most as I have in any pen is 4 rabbits. And then there is one inside the right now in the maternity ward, a pregnant one. She's in a different location than when you were over at the house, and I also know that I didn't show it to you. So here's the hutches outside, those front ones that I'm in the process of tearing down. Here's the door to that rabbit barn. Inside here's the food bucket and those smaller buckets. If you go back, there's some lumber here on the floor. If you go back beyond that lumber, there's a cage that's up top. So there's 2 cages. There's one down on the floor, and there's one up top. But the one that's on top has a bunny in it. So this one has a pregnant bunny. Not really good at drawing, so please don't laugh. Oh, it's a really bad bunny. Oh, it's gotten even worse. Oh my goodness. Terrible. Looks like a Dr. Seuss bunny. There's a pregnant bunny up top that needs food and water each day. So you walk in, walk past the wood, the door opens, it swings out this way, and you can access her food and water no problem. You have my phone number, so if anything comes up, let me know. When you walk inside here, just a reminder that on that one cage, there'll be a box where you can put our mail. And on that first day, there'll be an envelope in there. It'll have some money in there for you. I may give you more when we get back. I'm not sure. This is the amount of money that I usually give for this break when we're gone. But I do know gas prices are higher, so I'll talk to my wife and see if we should adjust it. But if you have any problems, like anything comes up, or if you need to talk about the money or anything like that, please just feel free to give me a call. And if any questions you have throughout the week, you can give me a call as well, because like I said, we'll be largely available. So good luck. Let me know if anything comes up, and I'll probably check in with you a couple times while we're gone. All right, thanks, Kylie.